When I need seafood, come like some turn dog. Rough. But turn dog for seafood.
That we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
Hey, Valentine's Day. Where's the boyfriend? I don't know where he is. Happy Valentine's Day. So guys, just not too long week, we make porridge and so Capo in the bathroom and shit. And guys, I can see my pink bed that means I'm my yard, but strange thing. Every time me they have Capo yard, me shit on the place. And when Capo they have my yard, him shit on the place. So the plan for today is, we're not really sure where I do. We're just gonna go with the flow and hopefully reach somewhere because the plan was supposed to go on seafood restaurant, right? And we can't go outside because a beer war and so we trap. I see where someone go on. People come look.
That.
Guys, that's what I make. A person bad like Kepa yard. No offense.
Not taking.
No, it's like don't sit down on bed. You don't wipe your body good. You smell like shit. Kepa don't sit down on the bed. Kepa stand now. You don't smell. Watch ya. Him not even wipe him body good and not sit down on the bed. You don't fun.
Body wipe good. What do you?
Gig.
You mean that?
Kepa, I would find film clothes and so you know. But you know, my mind ever change. I don't know. I'm gonna stay with some time. I find one pants but then I see that they were done. We can design it and so. You know, say, I'm not getting a Valentine's present, no. I'm feeling some type of way, you know. But I'm not make it ruin the day, But just go got you and enjoy we look at self as because I look at seafood restaurant named Glorious. But I don't know if I can reach over there in time, you know, because if time get too late, I not go them side because them side are far from me. And so stay tuned, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for the new. Sit back, enjoy the nice vlog here. So guys, ready answer.
I be take the whole day for do our face.
Guys, trust me, the ear, like to the ear new one, I never know what to do with it. Ready answer. I'm gonna check on my pants on my design, Kevin. I don't know if I like it.
She a try the good thing. So go on.
Come on, like do them.
We call them style.
Ripped, then in something.
Me no know.
So yeah, I already answered. So guys, we are with on Capo friend. Because Capo can man him say I come bring Uga Glorious, you know. When they want to Port Royal, you know. But we say can't bother go so far, you know. If it, you know, when they head too far and if something happen, you can run guy yard or something. But you know.
So we are going next this place at the Glorious downtown.
Downtown, we are going
on the waterfront. So guys, I see it on TVG and I say yo, I have to go down at Glorious and check it out. So I have to say no today the day we go down there.
You know, say me only I go for seafood because I'm a seafood lover. Answer.
And I go there because I'm hungry.
I'm telling you this, we try and all look and I make caramel porridge and so. And I say when I'm done with caramel porridge, I just do this. So I forgot I'm not supposed to drink caramel when time I go.
Here one now.
It run my belly.
Tell them the way put in the caramel. She put one bag of, like the whole tin of milk she go in the caramel. Be milk and she not drink no bag of milk. Tell them the truth, man. So guys, we're on the right path now so we can go Glorious go eat a whole heap of food.
And so, right now we keep us big and boring, so we just come with me. Come, we'll go outside.
Where can they go?
We'll go outside.
Okay.
So guys, you know you're a good girl, come out and so keep on mama left my scorpion chain. But no worry, cause girls still come out and so. I'm full of confidence, I'm good, we not even look good. I see what's up.
Yeah, be them bad man, how you talk about?
Maybe them bad answer.
Everybody cups up.
Maybe them bad answer. Yeah, I want some dirty people. I want some dirty people. Answer.
You're cute, dog, man. I like.
Look cute, answer.
Alright, no plot yourself.
Guys, Capo not give me no present.
No present for her.
I'm serious, tell the truth. I left me for left the dirty boy. Yes, if the relationship be fresh,
yeah,
he would have buy my present. But you know, next year our anniversary, so you know.
Next year, next month.
Next month, the blood cloud.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
So if him not come out for the anniversary, it was 6 years anniversary. If him not come out, if the boy not come out, I'm gonna left him.
So guys, we there wait.
And so.
On the ride.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. That's all I can think about right now, people. I'm hungry.
We just take a picture a while ago and fling it up on Instagram and so. Because we ask somebody who don't really know if to take picture, go for take it. So at the best we could have do. You know, I'm never did gone. Like my dad, I'm 8 you could have wait. But in my road for Calabar.
Okay.
Big up yourself, dirty,
Okay. Guys. You can do better.
Boy.
I watch over this man. What is this? Somebody before it fly.
When I tell a lot of people, hungry really kill me. Hungry kill me, not Capo. I want to go across the road, you know, but we're afraid. I'll be a robber, so we're afraid
And I'll be
everybody.
nice to make camera drive past and be nice.
You know, when I go out, they can make 2 mad video. You know what man so already. So again, guys, happy Valentine's Day. You know the Valentine's for people enjoy themselves and so don't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Couples and who are single
Couple.
to enjoy themselves same way.
You
you see?
enjoy yourself, because me single enough time. And you know me do? Cock up in my house, watch Christmas show.
I'll be still do that though.
Yeah, I still do it. To show you.
I love Christmas show that
I
shit.
love Christmas show.
I love Christmas show every month of the year. Backside.
Cause then tell me what you think about me. And I don't know what I gotta do.
Oh, where that side from, man?
Answer. Blood clot. I want to do him. Capo come go walk like soldier over there.
What you look for?
So guys, we're ready answer.
Smells so good.
We smell good answer.
Oh, yeah, baby, it smells nice.
And guys, guess what?
What?
We still away upon Capo friend. I know the boy don't come. I'm stressed out.
Oh, you tired.
Me don't know how I can take this no more. More seafood. Me need seafood. When I say I need seafood, come like some turn dog. Ruff. I turn dog for seafood. Ruff. I see what's up, my boy. No, guys, I see what's up. Me not supposed to waste a lot of food. No, love. Guys, I need to know a Capo fault. You know how long me away upon a look dirty boy when name Capo? You know how long me away upon a dirty boy? Capo waste the whole day today. The man thinks about exam. Waste the whole day and I say, alright, focus for your work. Now by the time we focus on boom and go up online. Him realize him not an exam today. Waste the whole of the day. When we go down and take some sexy picture, phone on Instagram. Abbi Atters. Answer.
Yeah, man. Think me have exam today and next week I have the exam. I can't believe it. 1 more day gone to the drain. Waste.
Fucking fool. Capo.
Jesus
Capo,
Christ.
it's still at work with something wrong.
Hey.
Wrong bag when if you come out.
Yo.
Capo, when if you come out, Capo, something wrong.
Abbi, don't run.
So guys, as we said, Capo hungry, me hungry. We're still away upon him friend. I see you something. Also, so guys, my sister just gone, right? I should cook her so you know, so I can teeth for a piece of chicken. Cause when we reach that place, I can't go wait for 45 minutes of food.
Yeah, man, so you're very good now.
What is that? What Capo, you go
We have a
first.
pink panther running and teeth some chicken right now.
Yeah. That time said done.
Turkey neck, you know?
Yeah, turkey neck.
What do you mean chicken?
Me never tell you that, my love.
You don't say good people chicken on camera.
Keep on, I call everything chicken. I call fish chicken.
Pork.
Look all I get talk to me for. I didn't know that.
If you know different type of meat, man. You think that chicken, you know?
So guys, I'm going to teeth talk because she just got it. Yes, because we are bad people. We teeth out anybody food. Who vex?
Yo. That go on itself. Pepper. And spicy.
She go on with herself.
I should be hungry, you know?
She go on with herself because she don't have no man. She go on with herself because she don't have no man. What she go on with herself, Safa?
Guys, we come on Glorious and right now the place pack of people like we not get you for now. I mean, she go wait still because you watch hungry and she go wait for the food.
So guys, after almost minutes of waiting, we finally reaching, right? So the people them move fast, so we have to just order and order.
Guys, don't come on Glorious for holiday because you the place pack up.
For a special occasion.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, the place just full. So we're gonna just order. So we're gonna just order right now and full belly and so when the food come on, I'm gonna see. You know, I don't want to show up nobody, you know, because I don't have nobody sneaking, nobody in here, you know. And I from the wife or I from the husband and so. You know, I'll be able to slack the set one. When we done order, we're gonna show them. People may not tell a lie. Whoever kiss me.
She don't want to kiss me because she vexed with me.
Yeah. You know, you have to make some dirty boy. When it's a dirty boy, you just vex. Vex when it's a dirty boy. Guys, I'm about where they don't could get a scene.
Yo, the thing.
could get a seat also.
Either the bar or stay at the door to the place same time. I say, yo, I have to come
I
inside.
forgot to buy a man. But that's why I want to sit down and I eat something.
So they are going to drink some liquor and things, you see me?
The man tell us when I drink no liquor.
Only for liquor we are drinking and things, you see me?
The man tell us about 30 to
45 minutes wait time.
And so, saying one long wait, that's what is a chat and a kid time. They are post things by Instagram and so.
When are you say? Come please.
Make sure now you may say, you know. No want to show up nobody, you know, come on, nobody. Bring them meeting.
Like how me do?
Listen. Hey boy, I can't wait. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to pick up the phone when the food comes. Because I don't want to talk too much in the camera. You know, say that in my style. I have to be a madness and so.
I'm actually live on right now.
And subscribe for new. We're going to subscribe to comedy channel Abbi And Capo Comedy TV. Yeah, and follow up on Instagram.
Straight.
The people in Budi are look away.
Oh, we're not kidding.
Yeah, I'm a woman and a man. People, food just come answer.
The moment you all been waiting for. Maybe I don't know Valentine. Anything for you, baby.
If you ever hurt that girl, I say a nice girl, you know.
Kiss, no kiss. Kiss.
Guys, this is the lobster.
So the more real girl eat a lobster. Nah, you're saying.
But tell me that I could get a tip. Why are you talking about?
Huh?
Yeah, with the juice, I like to eat without juice. So if I start choke, what I'm
I don't like pumpkin.
You have to ask, don't eat it all.
May I have pumpkin, please?
I'm an equal person. People, how I eat when they are most sorry. I see what's up, look at
That belly grew like she's 6 months pregnant. Still have lots of fish in my well. 1.5 fish on plate, see me. I've been not touched with your fish yet.
no, because guess what, man? You don't know what I get for fish.
She got to my fish.
I eat
But
that,
mine still.
We chat too much. Right now, guys, we're going to take a two-go back. Two-to-go back. I have to go buy food.
No,
Because the food is up. I don't want to do it right now. Even though my belly full enough. I don't want to do it right now.
Wait up the money now. Abbi, I try to prank me. Got the money in her bag.
I should.
I get up right now and tell her I say goodbye. But she change her bag and leave money out of the bag. But I like she tell. So we don't have to go wash no plate tonight.
And you would have to go watch them.
Yeah,
Watch out my good finger them. Yeah, some finger them still.
What are these? Get 2 boxes. So we can pack up the food and go yard. And tonight when we're there home and do whatever we do.
We're going to be a man this spoon, yeah? We're going to be a man this one time we reach home.
We can jump back in and play them and mash the food at the same time. I will come to you.
You're a friend of me.
Okay.
And so guys, so just stay tuned. We're going to come now. Look at me here, Neil, take off my eyelash in the night. Yeah, thank God I'm at the shoot. So guys, we're going to reach home. We are going to continue the vlog. Alright, until then. See you soon.
Listen up, flow like a listen up, flow like a
Valentine's Day dance.
Yeah.
Out there.
And so.
Guys, we just come back again. We're tired, but we're full.
I'm really full, so guys. And so, as I say, I'll be a madness. We're going to keep up. And so.
What is this? Hey, what it? Don't let it go. So guys, today is
Look at my face up here, look. But I understand, every time I go on a certain lighting, my makeup just so have a different color.
You look cute though, baby.
Answer.
Yeah, you just skin up my, yeah, me almost have same
Mama,
skin
what's your
too.
arm?
From the arm.
Well, guys, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for the new. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi And Capo Comedy TV.
You just squeeze me out. Eat. You just squeeze me out in the people. Look at this. Look at this. So what you going? Go through. Make your right turn now. Alright, flip back way now. Seriously, today was really fun. We had something planned earlier and it never worked out.
It never worked out, you know, but as we say, that's why I don't like to plan things, you know, because in the way you go my way, you know. I see you something, in the way you go my way. I just want us to have life and people open to enjoy the Valentines and so, you know. Make sure to enjoy yourself, you know. If the dirty boy no go no present, don't vex. Because me no vex, me no get a present. But I still have a...
Guys, here watch not a present, but we don't tell her say for your anniversary, and I forgot make sure it's lit. If you don't want the anniversary, you can know. Because I got turn up.
Full of energy, though. But I say that full of energy.
Yo, it's a turn up, guys.
Much energy.
Now make sure so the anniversary next month turn up so she can't say she's disappointed. Cause yeah, she didn't want to present this time and tell her say you are not a present and go on now. So next month though, craziness. Abbi, what to you?
We're just fine.
Jesus Christ! Let's not go to the door for you know.
Hey.
Please just come for it up every weekend or something.
So. What shape?
Yeah, yo, I let me say
What shape? What shape? Watch your body, watch your body.
No, see. Rock it off now.
One butt. Watch your body.
Rolling, rolling, my booty rolling.
Just don't fall over yourself. Just don't fall over yourself. Abbi, please, me don't hurt yourself. You don't know what I'm saying, man.
Guys, I don't know what to say. We have to actually entertain you now. Because, as you say, we're not clear. You don't see me flash here.
Slap the hair though. Oh.
So we have flash here and we're going to guys, you know we have to make the vlog them nice and so we can't just in the video. It's a chat for me. I'm tired.
Tired though.
I'm tired.
No, do you like Spada? Abbi.
I'm tired! Try, that's about it.
Say it again now.
You know what I'm saying?
Say it again, you said.
No, sir, I'm so true. That's my truth of low voltage. I'm tired! Okay.
No, we're not like. That's what it was.
Right now, guys, we just have to swim towards the camera and tell them goodbye. You know, so clap up, put the camera up there so I can swim. 1,
2.
3.
And it's Michael Phelps. And it's symbol.
Happy Valentine's again. Valentine's come and gone. You didn't have your boyfriend. Me have my boyfriend. You so lonely.
See you in the next Valentine's. Same boyfriend. Me, same girlfriend. Hey.
No, you know, don't you know? Now go no more. Let's go to my room. Baby, come into the room. Alright guys, we don't really have much fun no. We just have to keep up baseline also. We just have to jump in on the bed, flick 2 times, bubble 2 times, and split 2 times.
Hello.
You say, remember that? That means say, that vlog I gonna close off.
Go, Abbi. Flick 2 times. 1 flick. 2 flick. Bubble 2 times.
1, 2.
Split 2 times. 1, 2. 2. Ah. See that, people? She did it.
And so guys.
Huh.
What? Yeah, man, we go take off another night. Go on away. Go on away.
When you forget, come on.
Yeah, only my pants. I don't know them if my pants.
Just comment if you like our pants.
Yeah, I'm design it also. Show them.
Yeah, man. She go on there and say, Bomba. Abbi, please, alright?
AC.
I'm no, a Valentine's night.
Kiss me on my cheek.
No lip gloss?
Y'all give me a present. Until then, guys.
Make it.
AC gang is
Make it.
out.
Why should I do this?
Out.